Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in Accounting, and our topic today is how can you find the smallest or largest number in Excel? For instance, and this is a copy and paste from the support of Microsoft Excel. Let's say you want to find out who has the smallest error rate in a production run at a factory or the largest salary in your department or the largest revenue in a time series or something like that. So let's go to our Excel file. Where are you? Here. So I just grabbed info from Coca-Cola Company from 2012 to 2021, and this is the most common in accounting or finance. Newest numbers first, oldest numbers later. So, okay, largest revenue, largest cost of revenue, larger net income after tax, and smallest. So, the first way with the auto sum formula, select, but it works only on contiguous rows. The other two works with every kind of numbers. Auto sum, don't click on auto sum, click on the arrow here. Max is a maximum number. Or just click here, minimum, but if you want to go, oh, I don't want the minimum here, I want the minimum there, you cannot copy and paste. You need to come here, click when it's arrow, and move here. If you copy and paste, it will get wrong. Or two functions. The first one is the max, to find the largest number. Max, select. If you want to grab another series, for instance, revenue and net income, comma, the second, and so on, this is what you cannot do using the auto sum, okay? But we don't want it. So, maximum number, the 48. And here, where is the 48? It is here. Great. And now, with the large function, that is the most comprehensive one. And why? So select here. Whoops. You can select another ones here or comma and so on. But we don't want it. We want only revenue. Comma. What is the K? The K is, if you want the largest number, type 1. The second largest, type 2. Third largest, type 3. For instance, we want the fifth larger. It is 41. But we don't want the fifth larger. We want the largest. The same 48. And let's copy and paste here to cost of revenue and net income. So the largest cost of revenue is also 2012, when they got the largest revenue, but the largest income is not on 2012. It is on 2021. Now the minimum, besides the auto sum, there is the opposite of the max formula. That is the mean formula. And it works quite the same. Select here if you want more numbers, comma, more numbers, and so on. The 33. And the small function, that is the opposite of the large function. So small, select here, and then, comma, 1 is smallest, 2 second smallest. Remember that fifth largest, that it would be the sixth smallest, the same 41. Okay, or what we want here, number 1, the smallest number. We can copy and paste it to the other ones. We have them here. So let's 33. Let's go on green. Yellow and green, the color of Brazilian flags. Green here, 33. So the smallest revenue is 2020. 13, the smallest cost of revenue is year, 2018. And the smallest net income, 2017. So the largest number we have two from the same year, smallest, three very different years. Easy, huh? I like these formulas. They are very useful and easy to do. So guys, thank you so much. Questions or comments, leave it here or email me at jscarping@gmail.com. Have a very nice day and God bless you.